Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a multinomial goodness-of-fit test using Excel and my stikpetE add-in. This add-in is available on my GitHub account. Here's the link. Once you've downloaded the file, you can open Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins, and then search for Go and click on that. Then click on Browse, search for the downloaded file, and then click on OK, and it should install. If you don't want to use my library, my add-in, sorry, I have a separate video on how you can do it without. Now, the stikpetE library add-in will give you a function known as TS, short for test, multinomial goodness-of-fit. It requires as input, I'll make this a little bit bigger, the data. Be careful though that this is a specific range, so do not select an entire column A, but really specify A2 till A11 in this example. If you want, you can also add expected counts, and then the same thing applies. Make it two columns, one with the categories and one with the corresponding expected counts. It will give in return a 2 by 4 range, 2 rows by 4 columns with the observed proportion, the probability of the observed counts, the number of combinations used, the p-value, and the description of the test used. So here's an example. I just typed in the function, selected the specific range, and it gives me back all of this information. Note that this is very heavily computation wise, so for larger ranges this will quickly actually run out of memory and crash your Excel. So it's just here for completeness sake more than actually useful, because very quickly this becomes too big and the number of combinations increase dramatically. So for example, if I would have added another one here, let's say demon, demon, then why is it doing the capital? There we go. And I change this to one more, then already it's going to take a little bit longer. That's 78 combinations. So you notice that quickly adds up. If I add a few more, it can work with more, but like I mentioned, then it takes simply a lot longer. Let me see, like this. So it's already 153, so it quickly adds up. So don't use too many, I would advise. All right. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.